Aromatherapy for anxious feelings and low mood. How does it work? Is it real? If you're looking for natural alternatives to support your mental health, this just may be what you're looking for. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, certified essential oil educator, teaching for over 15 years, and I publish weekly videos on natural wellness, including mental health. Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils to support healthy cellular function, to promote relaxation, and to improve positive emotional response. Essential oils are taken from plants, and you can use them many parts of the plants, including like the flowers, seeds, bark, roots, and even the resin. And these oils are often mixed with another substance, such as a base oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil, and then applied to the skin. They could be sprayed in the air or just inhaled straight from the bottle. You can also put them into a diffuser without mixing it with any other oil and then inhaling it in the room. Many massage therapists will use it as part of their therapeutic massage. And aromatherapy has been around since the early 1900s, so this isn't something that's new. Here's the connection between inhaling essential oils and having an emotional impact on you. The nerve in the brain that controls your sense of smell is called the olfactory nerve. The endpoint of this nerve is in your nose, and it runs to the back of your nose to your brain. The part of your brain that connects to it is called the temporal lobe. Well, it just so happens that the temporal lobe has the hippocampus and the amygdala. The hippocampus plays a role in memory of past experiences. The amygdala is the emotional center of your brain. Why would something that you smell affect your brain? Because the essential oils contain natural, volatile, organic compounds that exert a pharmacological effect, or rather a predictable response, when they penetrate the body, either through the skin or through the olfactory nerve. Volatile means that the essential oil can vaporize and become a gas. So the essential oil of these plants are made up of molecules that can be absorbed through the skin in oil form or through the nose as a gas when we smell it in. By inhaling these molecules, you send them directly to the emotional part of the brain. This is why inhaling gases and fumes is a big deal. There's a direct path from your nose to your brain. Now, not everything you inhale has molecules that have a pharmacological effect on you, so you don't want to get worried and stressed about it, like everything that you're smelling, but you do want to be aware. But inhaling things is the fastest route to affecting your brain, more faster than eating something, because when you eat it, it has to be digested to then go into your bloodstream. Then it takes more time to actually travel to your brain. And your bloodstream is like the highway to take things to your organs. But as a gas, they can be absorbed directly by the nerve and have a straight shot to the brain, bypassing this blood highway. It's like being beamed aboard if you're a Star Trek fan. Certain oils are known to be more activating versus sedating or relaxing. And here are a few, but I'll have a longer list in my free essential oils guidebook that you can grab up here or download from the description. Some popular essential oils that are used to promote relaxation are lavender, frankincense, jasmine, and Roman chamomile. A study from Wesleyan University in 2005 showed that the study's subjects who were exposed to lavender experienced an increase in slow wave or deep sleep. I think that's pretty cool. However, you personally need to be aware that this only happens when you're using 100% pure and potent natural essential oils, not synthetic ones. In a 2023 study published by the University of Mississippi National Center for Natural Products Research, based within the University of Mississippi School of Pharmacy, that's kind of long, stated that of the dozens of lavender samples that they analyzed in their study, 2/3 were found to be highly adulterated and of poor quality, meaning they were mislabeled, had fillers, additives, and contained compounds that were of synthetic origin. This is why I'm quite a snob when it comes to the essential oils that I use. If you don't have a brand that you love and that you trust, I will link up my favorites in the description. The ones that I've been using for over 15 years with all 6 of my kids and with literally hundreds of thousands of clients. So how can you use aromatherapy to relax? My favorite way to use essential oils is in a diffuser. It's the most effective and affordable way to use essential oils. You can watch this video here If you want to learn how to diffuse and my best oil diffuser review, you can also find the link in the description. Aside from diffuser, you can also put a few drops of oil on a cotton ball and just go ahead and sniff it, or you could put a few drops on your pillow if you're trying to go to sleep. I love creating aromatherapy inhalers that you can use on the go. You just pull them out of your bag or your purse that's in your car and you just breathe it in. If you're wanting to use it for massage, I recommend using a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut oil. These are safe to put on your skin, and you can mix a few drops of the essential oils with the carrier oil to then put it on your body. Even if you can't get a full-fledged massage, you can massage your own feet with the essential oils, or you can put them on the back of your neck and just work it in. Another application is to put a few drops in your bath water. You may also want to check out my most popular video on how to use frankincense. This essential oil is one of the few substances that pass the blood-brain barrier, so it's extremely impactful for supporting mental health and emotional wellness. I'll have some references to the studies also in the description for aromatherapy and how it affects your senses. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and leave me a comment or a question if you have one.